Hey everyone, this is going to be, I hope, right, my last watch for 2025. And I'm a little excited because I've waited for a while to be able to get this watch in. So why don't we just cut the fluff and open up the box? Okay, it's a Seiko. And all right. All right, so yeah, this is the watch, and wow, wow. All right, I'm gonna clear the clutter and let's get in a little bit closer with the watch. Okay, so this is the reissue Seiko Rotocall, right? This particular model, the reference number is SMGG21P1, right? So Seiko recently reissued this Seiko Rotocall this year, and it's available in three different colorways. One is with a black and red bezel, the other one is a black and yellow bezel, and this one is with a blue and gray bezel. I believe the original Rotocall comes with a black and red bezel. So if you want to go like full or true to a re-release, then you should pick up the black and red bezel. But I wanted something that has a little twist, right? Even though it's a callback to their older models, I wanted a blue and gray bezel to have that modern twist. And why? Because it's a digital watch, right? So digital and blue, electric, somehow goes together, in my opinion, at least. So what's so cool about this watch? It has this octagonal bezel and it's functional, right? It's a digital watch, so it's a digital watch from Seiko, right? It's not Casio. Let me go in a little closer here, right? Seiko. So it's kind of rare for Seiko to make digital watches nowadays. It's not that they do not, but it's kind of rare. But one of the cool feature, right? You can see the mode here. This is the function. So what I can do is I can turn this, and yes, it goes into different function, right? For example, I go to stopwatch, right? That's the thing that I can do. I do not know how to operate the pusher. I'm just gonna feel my way around. Yep, this is start, this is stop, and this is reset. All right, and then dual time. I can set, let's say if I'm traveling with the watch, this is my home time. I can set this to another time zone. Wow, cool. Daily alarm, right? I can set alarms. I can set a single alarm. So this one I think is a daily recurrent alarm, and this one is kind of a single alarm, and this is our timekeeping mode. Time set. So let's figure out. I believe this button on around the 8 o'clock 7 o'clock position is for us to, okay, that's to set, right? And this at around 4 or 5, okay, it's for us to set. So 5:11, this is the date, and 2025 is 5 p.m. Yep. And if I'm done, I just go back to timekeeping and I get to see the day of the week and the date. How nice is that? I'm not sure if there's any backlight or anything. I don't know. I didn't really read the spec. I just like how cool the watch looks, and I just jumped into it. And I waited for a while for this to be available in Malaysia. I think it is only made available recently, maybe, I don't know, November or December. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So let's go through quickly how the bracelet is. And yep, there is the case back, solid screw down. Yeah, as expected, yeah, hollow end links, press metal clasp. I'm not sure if the links are even solid, because Seiko, they typically manage to do a good job where they use hollow links and they somehow disguise the link as solid. Right, I'm not sure. Let me peel off and then we go a little closer. I don't see any seam line or welt line, so I am guessing the links are solid. Right. Yeah. And I think it's only push pin, but yeah, you know, that's what you expect for a budget Seiko nowadays. And let me quickly put it on my wrist without sizing. Wow. Wow, that's a good fit, right? I have a small 6" or 15.2 centimeters wrist, and I think, yeah, I just like how this feels on the wrist. So yeah, I'll be doing a full review of this watch after, as usual, wearing it for a couple of weeks, and I'll come back with a full review. So if you're interested to know more, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye, and Happy New Year! Alright, I got the watch sized up for my 6" or 15.2 centimeters wrist. I'm able to get quite a decent fit given the lack of micro adjustment. There are only 2 holes on the clasp because it has a very small clasp, but because the links are quite short, so I managed to get a good one. And it does come with a white LED backlight, so it's cool. It's just nice. So I will enjoy this watch, right? So yeah, again, Happy New Year.